Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Windows Workshop, Sending Files for an Advantage Laptop Purchase, I'm going to show you how you can send all of the files that are necessary when you purchase a new laptop from Advantage. Sending these files in allows us to configure your laptop just for you. When you purchase a new laptop from us, there are some files that you're going to want to ensure you send to us promptly so that we can get the laptop set up for you. We're going to need your important dictionaries, and that includes your main dictionary and any other dictionaries that you want to move to the new computer. All user.ini files that you want to move to the new computer, your block files, any special billing files, and any other important files that you use every day that you want to make sure are in the same place on your new computer. Additionally, if you let us know what kind of steno machine you use and how you connect that steno machine, we may be able to install and configure the drivers for you and make sure that real-time will work for you to the best of our ability. I'm at the desktop of my computer, and the first thing that I'm going to do is create a folder to collect all of the files that I'd like to put on the new computer. So I'm going to right-click, New, Folder, and I'm going to call this folder Laptop Files. And I'm going to put everything that I'd like to move to the new computer inside of this folder, which is on my desktop. And so now I'm going to go to Eclipse, I'll go to Tools, Backup, and I'm going to choose my main dictionary as well as my user settings, but I don't need to move any of my current work files to the new computer. I'm going to go ahead and hit Next. I'll choose all of the INI files that I want to back up. In this case, I'll choose all 3 of mine. I'll press Next. I'm going to choose to browse, and this will let me choose the folder that's on my desktop. I'll click Finish. And if I scroll down, I see all the way on my desktop, all the way on the bottom, Laptop Files, and I'm going to highlight that folder and click OK. And all of those files have been backed up into that folder, and if I open it up, I see all 3 of my INIs as well as my dictionary. Going back into Eclipse, if I press Alt-E, I do have a blocks folder, and this is where all of my block files are. I'm going to want to get that entire folder, and the easiest way to do that is going to be by opening the File Manager through Control-F or Tools, File Manager. Next, I'll make sure that I'm on the Job tab, and I'll hit Explore. And if you have everything set up the default way, your block folder will be listed here. Otherwise, you can go to wherever you can see your whole blocks folder. I'm going to right-click on my block folder, choose Copy, and I'll minimize Eclipse. And if I go to my Laptop Files folder, I can right-click and paste. And now my block folder with all of my block file contents is in the Laptop Files folder along with my INI files and my dictionary. However, there may be other files that I wish to get. So I'm going to go back into Eclipse. I'm going to go into my File Manager, and there are a few files that I want to make sure get moved to my new computer. I have a billing sheet that I created, I have an asbestos dictionary, and I want to get my autobrief remind dictionary. And so I'm going to check off everything from my jobs folder that I want to move to my new computer, and I'm going to choose Copy To. I'll choose Browse, and again I'm going to choose the desktop, and if I go all the way down, there's a file here for Laptop Files. So I'll select that folder, I'll press OK, and those files now have also been copied. And so now within my Laptop Files folder, I have my block files, my important dictionaries, including my spelling dictionaries. I have all of my user.ini files, and I have my billing sheet so I can make sure that I can get going on my new computer immediately. If there are any other important files that you'd like to move over, you can do that. And if you want us to set a custom splash image, just make sure that you include the image you'd like to use. And just make sure that it's called Splash or something like that. And we'll make sure that that gets set for you as well. And if there's other files that you need to move over, such as PDF files or something like that, for instance, if I want this ashley.pdf file, I can include that in the folder as well. Anything that you need, just simply put it in this folder. If you're including a lot of files, and they should go in specific locations, you can include a note. Right-click, go to New, Text Document, call it your name and Notes, and type in any special notes for the computer configurationist so that we'll know where to put everything for you and make sure that you get exactly what you want as soon as you open your new computer. And so I'm going to save this. And now all of these files are ready to go for my new computer. And so what I'm going to do is zip them up into one single big file. I'll right-click on the laptop files folder. I'll choose Send To, and I'm going to select Compressed Zipped Folder. And as soon as that operation is done, I have a zipped file also on my desktop with the same name as the laptop files folder. I can rename it if I'd like, but I don't have to. At this point, this file is ready to email. I'm going to open up my Gmail, but you can use any email. I'm going to create a new email. I'm going to hit Attach. And I'm going to select the zipped laptop files folder. And that's going to attach to my email. And I'm going to send this to my files at eclipsecat.com. And I'm going to make the subject laptop purchase files. And if you need to, you can include any additional notes, such as any other software that you'd like to request be installed if we can, or any explanations for any of the files that you have attached if you didn't already provide an explanation. Include any other notes that you think are important, and then send that email. And as soon as the files are received, configuration of your laptop can begin, and once it's ready, it'll be shipped home to you. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thanks so much and have a great day.